In the meantime, opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, is doubling down on his claim that the delay in evacuating the Cornwall Regional Hospital made the situation worse than it should have been. Details in this report.
The tit-for-tat over whether or not the Cornwall Regional Hospital should have been completely evacuated last year February continues. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton saying it was not practical at the time. His opposition counterpart, Dr. Dayton Campbell, however, not buying that argument. Dr. Campbell, speaking on TVJ's Smile Jamaica on Tuesday, said a technical report on renovating the hospital did not stop at recommending the evacuation of the main building. He said the report also included measures to work around the closure. It's the same measures, he said, which are now being used after the building was evacuated over the weekend.
Then he gives us an excuse, the fact that it's a brownfield, meaning that it's not a new thing. And that as you go in one section, you started with a ventilation issue and then it moved to something else. But that's precisely why the recommendation came to close the facility. Because there's nothing that seals off first floor from the second floor, from the third floor. All of them communicate with each other. So if you have something that is aerosol, that is in the air, fumes, then clearly it would move.
But in delaying the evacuation of the hospital for its renovation, Dr. Tufton has indicated that he was guided by a report from the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO. However, Dr. Campbell disputes the claim. He's asking the minister for proof.
If you again chronicle the thing properly and look at the files, you'll realize that PAHO did not come to do an assessment until the 15th to the 19th of March, and the PAHO report came in April. So that's why he's now saying he has moved away from the PAHO report now to say they told him that verbally. But if you stop one thing for a second, how could PAHO, an international agency, give you a verbal recommendation to go against your technocrats who have placed in writing that you should close this, and do so even before they do an assessment?
He contends the minister overruled those best qualified to give advice on the matter, adding that no one is being held accountable.
You think about it, that somebody comes here, finds mold in this building, you're having symptoms. It's not that they're not producing toxins in it, they are, because the nurses said they're coughing up blood, they're having memory loss, they're having muscle weakness, skin issues, and even their consorts, their spouses, their children at home are having problems. The facility at Cornwall Regional, there's a section that sanitizes dockets before you send them.
Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.